Good afternoon and welcome back to the Perkins Garages YouTube channel for another instalment of Dan's quickfire 5-minute, never gonna be 5-minute walk around videos. This here, a new model Blue Lightning Ford Ranger Raptor, featuring the 2-litre bi-turbo engine producing 205 PS of power and transmitted through all four wheels through a 10-speed automatic gearbox. Registered on a 73 registration, will be taking forward manufacturer warranty all the way to October 2026. The vehicle itself has done just 8,300 miles, and boy do we have some specification to talk about this afternoon. So first off, let's just cruise ourselves around this gigantic front end of the vehicle to the near side front, where we can see the performance LED C-clamp design headlights, including LED daytime runners. As you can see, we have the beautiful splash Raptor decals around the outside as well, looking just sensational. At the bottom there, LED front fog lights, and we have parking sensors and making themselves all the way around that front lip of the bumper. This vehicle is about to go through our workshops for a full mechanical preparation, and yes, we will straighten up the front number plate also. A lot going on in this front grille. Have a look at that Ford front grille, that looks just superb. And we also have a front facing camera. In fact, we have 4 cameras on board this vehicle, one at the front, one either wing mirror and one at the rear, to give you a 360-degree view. We're going to start to make our way around the bumper now until we get to these rather beautiful alloy wheels. Let me just get down to them. As you can see, these have got the Goodrich BF Goodrich tyres on them. They are gigantic. These are 17 inches in diameter and they're finished in a magnetic grey colour, and they look fantastic. And as it's ajar, I can just show you the remaining tread, which is a plenty. I could lose my finger in there. Up to the windscreen and have a look at these nice little breathing vents on the bonnet as well. Looks very mean indeed. Up to the windscreen, we have a little dome light sensor there, so as the sun goes down and the moon comes up, your lights will come on automatically. Furthermore, at the top of the windscreen there, we do have a camera for the traffic speed sign recognition camera. This will display the traffic speed signs on the dashboard ahead of you. There's also a light sensor there for the auto high beam, and another sensor for the rain sensing wipers. Mirrors now, power folding, heated. We have blind spot assist monitors, so if someone's in your blind spot near side or offside, that little image there that won't focus will illuminate orange to let you know it's unsafe to pull in or out. And as previously mentioned, at the bottom there is a camera. So on the floor there we have the Raptor side step that might be important for those shorter people of this world. On the driver's door, one touch keyless entry, tap behind to unlock, tap again to lock it once more. The Blue Lightning colour goes fantastic with the rear privacy glass, and the rear roll hoop looks just spectacular. As you can see, we've made our way to the offside rear now. At this stage of the video, I just gently rock the camera down the offside of the body, like so. The offside is in immaculate condition. Well, the whole thing's in immaculate condition, as you can see. Offside rear, giving you a quick look at that 17-inch alloy with a beautiful Goodrich tyre on it as well. And it's a good opportunity to show you through the little gap here, to show you the full-size spare wheel underneath. Starting to make ourselves around the rear, we have rear parking sensors to complement the fronts. We have a rear reversing camera that's perfectly in line with the detachable tow bar. The detachable tow bar comes with the updated EU electrics and a pin to remove it as well. And again, the beautiful reversing camera, which looks fantastic on the sink for a monitor. Near side of the truck now, again we've got lovely Raptor badging down the near side rear. Bodywork is just fabulous. Near side rear now. You good look at that. Now we can follow it all the way to the near side front. Oh, love the alloy. I love these Raptors. These are so cool. Right, so that's the exterior. Walks around 360 degrees. I even like this blind spot radar in the headlights there. Very clever. Okay, so following the pattern of the new model Ranger, we have the little G-clamp holders there. This is like a workbench, if you like. We have the mounted top roll cover, finished off in silver there. And we have, it's actually electric. Let me just show you this cluster of buttons here. There we are. So on the left hand side is a button for the roll shutter. We have a 230 volt 400 watt plug socket, and also a 12 volt socket there as well. But now I've pushed it back. How nice is that? So you've got the hard wearing plastic coating in there, so it's going to keep the back nice and protected. Okay, so we'll just shut that up once again. One click on the button, and there we are. There's also a button inside to close it as well, and obviously open it. Into the offside rear door now. So hardware and plastic door card leading into this soft touch matte synthetic leather. Be very comfortable. This vehicle has 4 electric windows, so obviously you have the corresponding switch and the corresponding door card, and some of the coolest door handles you will ever see. Now this matte ebony leather looks just fantastic, especially with the red down either side. As you can see, it's going to be very comfortable. It's going to support you in all the right areas. The middle bit drops down to be an armrest / cup holder as well. ISO fixing on the near side and on the offside rear, so clip the kiddie seats in, keep them nice and secure. If they're hot, you need rear air conditioning vents. If their tablets run out of charge, you need USBs or another 230 volt plug socket. Fantastic. Really, really beautiful interior on this Raptor, I must say. Into the driver's seat. Let's just turn off the chimes. It's telling me off because I've got the key in my pocket. Okay, starting up there, I've got this nice little honeycomb style trim leading into, again, this beautiful matte leather. All 4 electric windows, mirror adjustment, folding mirrors and rear child lock as well. Ford Performance badging on the door sills there, leading into these rather spectacular front seats. These are heated seats, and as you can see, compared to the rears, we have extra support in the lower back and the base part of the seat with little bits of suede around the outside. Yeah, very nice indeed. The Raptor in there as well, looking just wonderful. Okay, so for the finale, let's show you a bit of specs. The auto lights are done in this cluster. You have a dimming switch there for the driver display, and that's the button to open and shut the roller cover. As you can see throughout the whole interior, we have little red accents there, so red around the air vent trims, red Raptor, and red on the steering wheel as well. The steering wheel is heated and it's a very lovely construction. We have the flappy paddles at the back there for the 10-speed automatic gearbox as well. On the left hand side of the steering wheel you can find your adaptive cruise control with lane centering, volume controls underneath, and next to that a voice command button, perfect if you're using Google Assistant or Siri from your smartphone. And on the right hand side are the pick up and decline phone call. We have previous and next song and menu buttons to control the digital driver display ahead of us. So as you can see on the driver display on the left hand side we have your RPM gauge, the gear selector indicator, at the top we have different gauges all the way through. I think that is so cool. Off-road gauges as well. The exact mileage at the time of recording is 8,560.7. And whatever drive modes you put this vehicle into, you'll get a different ambience on the screen, or either 7 individual drive modes. Absolutely incredible. At the bottom there we have the controls to select your drive mode and select your gearbox settings. We have P for parking on there as well, off-road capabilities, auto stop start, and what's in the middle there, the traction control. We got the electronic handbrake and the controls for the 10-speed automatic gearbox with the manual button for the flappy paddles on the right hand side. Wireless charging pad, 2 more USBs. We have physical air conditioning controls, or we can have it on the screen, whichever you'd rather, and that's where your heated seats and steering wheel are. Obviously being a Ford, we have the electronic heated windscreen as well, so it defrosts nice and quickly. This then is the Sync 4A monitor. Let me click the right button. With all your FM and DAB audio in there, Bluetooth connectivity. We have your sync satellite navigation, different media inputs, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is both now wireless. They've got your owner's manual on there, sketchpad, towing settings as well. So you can put your trailer in there and it will save all your settings for you. And we also, to top it all off, have the Bang & Olufsen Pro audio system. So we have different tweakers, different speakers all the way. So you've got a fantastic audio system. The reversing camera also looks just marvellous on there. And at the top, these wonderful aux switches as well. So they are fantastic. Sunglasses holder, black roof lining, it's all there. These Raptors are a fantastic bit of kit. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. If you need any more information on this vehicle or any other vehicle here at Perkins, do give me a call. 01376 550 899. Thanks for watching and catch you again real soon. Bye bye for now.